What is a bearish market structure? It's totally opposite of bullish market structure. Means here the market is going to go down, takes a pullback, and after taking a certain amount of pullback, it's going to break the previous low all the time. When the previous low is broken, again it's going to take some sort of pullback, and again it's going to break the previous low. Now again the time of conclusion as a price action trader, since it is in downtrend, it's always going to break the previous low, doesn't matter what, because it is in downtrend. So if I know the market is in downtrend, let's say this is a pullback point. We never know where the pullback, up to what point the market is going to take, whether it's going to take up to 10 points, 30 points, 200 points. We don't know actually when it takes a pullback. But when the pullback is over, right, we will understand this in setup. We will understand, okay, pullback is now almost over. We will then plan our trade. Okay, that's why this is called FVT zones. We will trade in important zones only, not every single point, right? Okay, so what I know, this is a pullback point, and somehow I enter here, I actually know where is my target point. Let's talk about this. Let's say this is taking a pullback and I taken an entry here. I know it's always going to breach this swing, okay, where the liquidity reside. Liquidity means stop loss, your opponent's stop loss. Okay, in very simple term I'm telling. So it's always going to hunt this liquidity. So we will always target up to this liquidity. We know the market is going to go here, no doubt. My target is clear. And if it is in downtrend, it's never ever going to break this swing high. It's not going to go like this. It can come up to here, but it will never ever going to breach this. So you know, if the market is going to hunt your stop loss, it's not going to go beyond this. It's impossible for the market if it has to follow a downtrend, right? Logical, right? I understood. You are now getting it very much logical, right? What I'm saying. When we trade in the real market, this 100% theoretical things never work. Never. There we will having, but these theoretical concepts, right, is always be the base point of designing the setups for a trader. Okay, so that's why it's very much important to understand this before understanding the setup. Those who skip this videos and directly watching the setups, believe me, they will again going to get disappointed. Like every single time you guys are disappointed by not only taking 200 400 rupees course, by even paying lakh rupees of course, and nothing comes up. Why? Because if you do not have a small patience to watch a few hours of course, how you can be patiently sitting for your setup, how you can be patiently sitting for your probability to go into your favor, and your trading edge will come and you will make money in the market, right? I hope you can understand. This is a game of patience. You really need patience here. There is no other options. Patience and discipline. We will discuss about this in uh, you know the psychology. This is a bearish market structure. I always know it's going to take this liquidity out, and I know how much it will go up. It will never go beyond this. This is the two take points, the take learning from this market structure concept, which is called bearish market structure. Okay, so I hope the bearish market structure is clear to you. Okay, and next market structure, which is a complex market structure, is called sideways market, which we'll be talking about later. Now here I want to clarify few things to you. Sometimes these pullbacks are complex. What kind of pullbacks you might be seeing? Let me clarify. Which there, a lot of people get confused. Okay, sometimes this pullbacks will be like this. Like it's going to go up, go down, go up, go down, come down, goes up, goes down, goes come up, down, come down, 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 up, down, and then this leg, right, which you are seeing from here, You see, from here to here, one single leg. Let me highlight this leg. Okay, is nothing but a combination of these plus these. It's also possible. Sometime market takes a very complex pullback. Okay, in general, it's look like it's broken this liquidity. Keep in mind this word liquidity. It's liquidity means this swing. It's taken down the liquidity with this leg, but in internal structure of this leg could be like this, very complex. You might be feeling like these. It's also possible. Sometime market takes a very complex pullback. Okay. In general, it's look like it's broken this liquidity. Keep in mind this word liquidity. It's liquidity means this swing. It's taken down the liquidity with this leg, but in internal structure of this leg could be like this, very complex. You might be feeling okay, maybe it's an uptrend. Why it's making higher high? But actually, it's not an uptrend. It's in the downtrend. I will come to that slow and steady. You will never, you will not going to have doubt. That is my guarantee in this uncertain market. You will never be getting a doubt whether it's in uptrend or downtrend. You will 100% be clear about the trend, even about the no trend, which is sideways market. But yes, this pullbacks will be like this. So how to deal with this? I knowingly put this point here so that the question will arise in your brain, right? Because sometime you had also noticed in the live market goes up and never comes down like this. It comes down in a very complex market structure. Even between this, you sometimes feel the downtrend is over and you try to take upside trade. Even it goes up for some time and then boom comes down. Don't you don't you got trapped sometime in these scenarios? Of course, yes, you also got trapped in such scenarios several times. So you are getting trapped. You are sometimes planning to buy. You are planning to buy at these points. Why? Because you think it's a bullish structure. Market is making higher high. You understand so far when the market makes higher high, it's an uptrend, and when the market makes lower low, it's a downtrend. So it's making higher high, so it's an uptrend. Let me plan a buy trade. But you do not know this higher high is an internal structure within this leg. So how to make myself detach from this complex behavior and be totally focused like this is a leg, not get confused in this area? How to do that? How to deal with this complex market structure and understand this is nothing but this is the complete leg. This is a part of internal structure. I will come to that. I will definitely clarify this doubt because I am the one who raised the doubt, because this is a valid doubt. Because when you draw the market structure, if you had followed some YouTube videos or some trainers who themselves are not a trader, because they do not had traded themselves, how they can tell you these things? Because I face this issue every single day when I was a trader. Because I'm thinking this is a downtrend, suddenly I feel this is an uptrend, I buy, and immediately it's a downtrend, then again uptrend. I'm confused with my market structure. I keep adjusting my market structure because I was drawing a wrong market structure. I will come to all of them slow by slow, step by step. Definitely will take some time. You have to allow me time because I know which button inside you have to push, and it will impact what and how I will take you to the trading level where I am. So please allow me time. That's one thing I need from you. And if you really like my efforts, right, Udemy might be asking you to provide rating at this point. Please go ahead and put your valuable ratings. Okay. If you feel it's a 5 star. If you think it's not a 5 star course yet, don't put rating. Don't put 3, 2, 1, because I know we don't deserve it, but still don't put it now. Give us some more time, go through the more course content and then give your review at last. But at this point, if you're convinced it's a 5 star, then you can give it at now. But if you're not convinced, then give us one more chance and go through slow by slow in the course. Definitely you will have to put 5 star, I know this. Okay, so yep, that's all about bearish market structure. What at this point you have to understand is only one thing. In bearish market structure, market protects the previous swing always, and is always going to break the next swing. Okay, or in the bearish market, it's always going to break the low and protect the high. That's the only thing at this point we need to understand. We'll slowly understand the things. Leave everything on me. Just listen carefully, take a note, and if you are confused, ask questions. You are invited to ask the most foolish questions also. Always, I'm open to answer. Okay, so yep, that's all about bearish market structure. Allow me some time and yourself also to adjust with this new concept. I know it could be bit new for you. Then we will slowly understand. Next topic in this video series will be we'll talk about the sideways market, then we'll come to the internal structure, complex market, everything we will understand. Yeah, so yep, that's all about the bearish market structure, guys. Thank you so much for giving your time and listening to me. I would definitely give my best to make you trader out of it.